We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Brother MFC 9330 printer, and we're going to show you how to replace your toner cartridge. So if you've been getting a replace toner or toner low message, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a really simple process. First thing you want to do is read that error message and find out which color toners need to be replaced. Once you know which color toner or toners that need to be replaced, then we can move on to replacing the toner itself. So in order to do it, we need to lift this whole top cover. So you're going to put your hand inside this little handhold here. There's going to be a little lever inside of there. You're going to pull up on that and lift this whole top until it goes into its locked open position. Then you're going to find whichever color toner needs to be replaced. In this case, it's my magenta. So I'm going to find the magenta. I'm going to carefully remove the magenta. In this case, it's the drum and toner. And now we need to separate our toner from the drum. In order to do that, there's going to be a little green tab here on the left side. You're going to push down that little green tab and grab this little handle at the front of the toner cartridge, lift up, and you've now successfully removed your toner cartridge from the drum. So once you have your new toner cartridge completely unpacked, ready to use, give it a quick look over, make sure that there's no packaging material anywhere left on it. Once it's good to go, you're going to want to install your toner into your drum. So in order to do that, again holding by the handle, you're going to want to start up at an angle. Make sure you seat the front of the toner cartridge into the drum, and then you're going to push down on the handle until you feel it click down into position. So once the toner is locked into the drum, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to find this green tab at the top of the drum, and you're going to want to pull it all the way across the top of the drum 2 or 3 times. And it's really important that when you're done, you dock this little green tab all the way back off to the left side where it started from. You'll know where that's at because there'll be 2 little arrows pointing at each other. But if you leave this little green tab anywhere else, you're going to end up with print defects. So very, very important to make sure you push this all the way back up to the side, and that way it's out of the way. But now that we've successfully installed our toner cartridge into the drum, we're going to go ahead and install the drum and toner back into the printer. You're going to repeat that process for any and all other toners that need to be replaced. Once that's done, we're going to lower this top cover. You'll give the printer a minute to initialize and prepare that toner cartridge for use. Once your screen comes back to its normal ready state, you'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer those for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help supply those for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.